and welcome back to another episode of Missy's Enchanting Nails. Today, we are going to learn how to apply our Fortify. Super simple, very easy. We're going to give it a little shake and get started right away. So just like with our polish, when you're applying the Fortify, you want to apply a nice thin coat. Do a dab in the center of the nail, drag it out, go around. And we're going to continue on and do all of our nails like that. Just like that. Get them all covered. There we go. And just like that, the Fortify has been applied. Do it to the other hand. So, the difference between the Fortify and our polish is the Fortify does not require the UV light. It is air dry. It dries very quickly. And there we go. So of course you have to be careful when doing this, so that way you're not wrecking the other hand's job while you're doing this hand, or wait for the other hand to dry before you do it. One of the two. Again, you want to avoid your cuticles and skin because that'll cause peeling. And there we go, guys. We have applied our Fortify. It's going to strengthen and protect our nails against our polish. That's all that we have for today. Thanks for stopping by. This one was just a real quick one for you. Have yourself a great day. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button below, and we'll catch you in the next video.